Hey everyone. So this is going to be the last part of our beginner courses. Now today we're going to be talking about text message marketing. Then the quiz or the course after that is going to be about push notifications. And then finally, the last one that we're going to do is website pop-ups. So in this case, the SMS marketing is going to be located under marketing, obviously. And we're going to select the first option that populates, which is going to be send a campaign under the SMS marketing. So this feature is extremely powerful. We give you an example of how to do these things, but you can do pretty much anything, right? So in this case, we give you an example that says first name. We wanted to remind you it's Taco Tuesday. Get yourself some tacos or order something from one of the 80 restaurants on some delivery service name, which will be, you can input from 352 delivery for delivery or takeout, and then get $10 off and use code blah blah blah, orders over $30, and then you can say order here. So you want to give your customers clear guidance on where to go, how to get the discount, how to order, right? Now the way it works is pretty simple. You have your available credits for SMS marketing. You can add credits. We have a specific bracket on how many you buy. Then from there, you can create a new campaign and you can name it anything, right? So you can name it Taco Tuesday campaign, right? And this is only, as you can see here, it's required for internal purposes, right? So when you pull reporting and stuff like that, the software needs to associate something with a campaign name, right? So you know which campaign you were running. From here, creating an SMS, a text message is super simple. So you will select, let's say, hey, first name, and this what it will do is it's going to take the data from your contacts, right? So if somebody's first name field is Brian, it's always going to be hey Brian. The person that's gone Nicole, hey Nicole, right? So you get the idea. Now we can say hey first name, and then under that we can say Taco Tuesday is happening now. Get $10 off any order over 30. Use code taco10, order here. And then you can put a link, right? Now uh, any media that you want to include in that, as you can see here, all media and GIF files must be under 500 kilobytes in size. To reduce size, use a service like freeconverter.com. And then this would allow you to inject any messages you want. And then you have, you can find a Giphy, which is like a service that has GIFs. And then you can input a URL of said GIF. Okay. All right, so now we're going to add some context search criteria. Now, what this does, it's going to scour through your backend and look at your customers, and it's going to pick the contacts that you're going to be sending this campaign to, right? So in this case, we can say location is our location, right? Or we can say last order source is app, right? And then we can press search. And then now we have 3,547 contacts that their last order that they made was on the app, right? So you can incentivize more people on the app to order. And as you can see, like there's a couple of different variables you can pull. So you can also do order count, right? You can say if their order count is greater than 10, right? Let's see what happens here. Now we have 2,375 contacts, right? So you can put any, and you can stack criteria. Just make sure you always click search, because these are the contacts that are going to be pulled to get something sent out to them, okay? So once we do that, we can either send the campaign right away, we can schedule a campaign for a specific time and day, or we can send a test to ourselves just to make sure that it works properly. Now, once you do send now or schedule campaign, you will be able to view your scheduled campaigns here. You will be able to select a start and end date, and you will also be able to see past campaigns. And in this case, I don't know. Okay, so we do have a couple that were pulled from 352, and you can obviously just put, any kind of campaign that you think is going to work for your market. This is going to vary from business to business, from location to location. Some businesses will see a higher uptick in orders in the off season. Some businesses will see this working better for them during season. Maybe they're a seasonal, specifically like a summer resort, or it's on the coast, on the beach. So yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about SMS campaigns. Just make sure you utilize these little actions, because they're super useful to create more personalized messages to your clients. That's going to be it. Make sure you take the course next, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.